PebbleHost Minecraft hosting review. Is it the best budget option? I'm going to tell you if PebbleHost is the best budget Minecraft hosting out there. PebbleHost is a popular choice for budget Minecraft hosting. The main reason is simple: low price with decent performance. You can start for as little as $1 per gig of RAM per month, and that already includes features like full FTP access, a custom panel, automatic backups, and even DDoS protection. The UI is clean and beginner friendly, and setup takes just a couple of minutes. They support all major Minecraft versions, mods, and plugins including Paper, Forge, and Fabric. Performance-wise, it holds up okay for the price, on low to mid player counts, but you might feel some lag if you overload the RAM or go heavy on mods. They've got 24/7 support through tickets, which is responsive enough, though not instant. Overall, if you're looking for a no-frills budget server that just works, PebbleHost is okay.